Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Lightroom on your mobile phone. So it is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the search button and type Lightroom like this and search for it. Here you can find the Lightroom app on the second option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to get button right here. Now the phone will ask for your confirmation. Now confirm it. And after a few seconds, the Lightroom app will be downloaded to your mobile phone. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. Simply tap on to open the app. Now you can see the app has been opened. And you can also find the Lightroom on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Lightroom app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.